Well, hello, my fine feathered peeps. It is Annie Noodle again, and it is day 4 of my sticker a day challenge. And today we are making some jellyfish. Why? Because I like jellyfish, and I think puns are fun. So, I painted this little guy up, and actually sketched him this morning during Bible study. I didn't know I was going to make a sticker out of him at that time. I had a different sticker in mind for today, but today got really, really busy. So, which brings me to the fact that I am going to have some scheduling problems this week. So you probably won't see videos from me. You'll just see posts of pictures of the stickers that I did that day. Stickers are still going to happen on a daily basis, but yeah, probably not videos until this weekend. Yeah, that's just the way it is. Here's the sticker for the day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.